In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to simplify exponential expressions using the laws of exponents. Now here we have one question, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So first one we have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Here we can see that all the numbers have same base with the different powers. So we can apply the laws of exponent. First we will apply the multiplication rule. And we know that when we multiply numbers with the same base, we have to add the powers. So next step we can write it as 2 to the power. Since it is multiplication, we have to add all the powers. The powers are 3 plus 4 plus minus 5. And what is the answer? 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus minus 5 is 7 minus 5, that is 2. So answer is 2 to the power 4. Sorry, 2 to the power 2, which is 4, but don't write the answer as 4 because here it is asked to write it in exponential form. So answer is 2 to the power 2. Now next we have 7 to the power 4 the whole power 5. Second question, 7 power 4 the whole power 5. So here we know that it is power of a power rule. So since we have two powers, we have to multiply the power. So 7 to the power 4 into 5, and 4 into 5 is 20. So answer is 7 to the power 20. Next we have 5 square, that is 5 to the power 2 the whole power minus 4. And here also we can see that since we have two powers, we have to multiply. So 5 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 4, and the answer is 5 to the power minus 8. Next one, 4 to the power 3 the whole power 4 divided by 4 to the power 2 the whole power 6. Here we have two types of laws we have to apply here. Since we have two operations, because here we have a power rule and we have division. So first what we have to do is we have to remove the bracket. That means apply the power of power rule. After that we can do the division. So next will be 4 to the power. Here we have two powers, we have to multiply. So 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 6, and it is equal to 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 is 4 to the power 12 divided by 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Now here we can apply division rule. So in the case of division, what we will do, we will subtract the powers. So 4 to the power 12 minus 12, which is equal to 4 to the power 0. This is the answer. Don't write it as 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1, because here it is asked to write in exponential form. So answer is 4 to the power 0. Next we have 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 5. Here also we have to simplify and express in exponential form. Now here we can see that the powers are same, so we can write it in another way. It means 2 multiplied by 3 the whole power 5, because we have an important result. If x and y are two rational numbers and n is a positive integer, then we can write x to the power n multiplied by y to the power n as x into y the whole power n. So 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 5, we can write as 2 multiplied by 3 the whole power 5. And what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. So this can be written as 6 to the power 5, which is in exponential form. Now next we have 3 to the power 0 multiplied by 4 to the power 0 multiplied by 5 to the power 0. Now here this also we can apply in the same way. Since all the powers are same, we can write it as 3 into 4 into 5 the whole power 0. And here 3 into 4 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60, so we can write as 60 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. But since we are asked to write in exponential form, 60 to the power 0 is enough. Otherwise, directly we can apply the laws of exponents. 3 to the power 0, we know that any number to the power 0 is 1. So 3 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0 will become 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 again is equal to 1. Now next we are going to see simplification. Simplify. Now here we have one question. 2 to the power minus 6 minus 5 to the power 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. We have to just simplify this exponential expression. So now 2 to the power minus 6, since it is negative exponent, we can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power 6 minus 5 to the power 0 means 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. Now is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 6 means it is equal to 64 minus 1 into 2 to the power 5, that is 1 into 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Now 1 by 64 minus 32, when we simplify, we can write it as 1 minus 32 into 64 the whole divided by 64, which is equal to 1 minus 2048 divided by 64, and 1 minus 2048 is minus 2047 divided by 64. Next question, 8 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3 minus 2 to the power 6 plus 5 to the power 0 is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3. Since we have negative exponent, we can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 6 plus 5 to the power 0 means it is 1. Is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 by, and what is 2 to the power 3? 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied 3 times, which is equal to 8, minus 2 to the power 6 is 64 plus 1. Now here 8 into 1 by 8 will become 1. 8 and 8 will be cancelled. So 1 minus 64 plus 1. Since we have mixed operations, we have to take all the positives. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. 2 minus 64, and 2 minus 64 is equal to minus 62. That's the answer. Next we have one more question. 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 minus 6 multiplied by 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 means 243. 3 multiplied 5 times, minus here 6 into 6 to the power 4, we can write as 6 into 6 to the power 4 means 6 multiplied 4 times, which is equal to 1296. Now we can simplify. Here first we will apply multiplication on both parts. So 2 into 243 will become 486 minus 6 multiplied by 1296 will become 7776, and which is equal to minus 7290. So this way we can simplify and find out the value of exponential expressions. Again we have to simplify exponential expressions. Another type, we have 3 to the power 4 multiplied by minus 5 the whole power minus 4 the whole divided by 9 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 the whole power 3. Now since we have many numbers, what we have to do is, in the case of simplification, first important point to remember is we have to make all the numbers with the same base. Then only we can apply the laws of exponents. So here we have 3 and we have 9. So make this 9 also as a power of 3. I mean we have to make this 9 with the base 3. Now we can write it as 3 to the power 4 multiplied by, since we have here minus 5 and 5, what we have to do is minus 5, I am going to write it as minus 1 into 5 the whole power minus 4. Then divided by 9, we can write it as 3 to the power 2 because we know that 3 square is 9 into 5. Here we have power of a power rule. Since we have two powers, we have to multiply. So 2 into 3 will become 6. Is equal to, now we can take 3 to the power 4 and 3 square together to apply the laws of exponent. We can apply the division rule. So 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by, now what I am going to do is, since we have negative exponent, I am going to take this minus 1 into 5 the whole power minus 4 to the denominator. So it will become minus 1 multiplied by 5 the whole power 4. Since it is taken to the denominator, we have to change the sign. So minus 4 will become plus 4 into 5 to the power 6. Already 5 to the power 6 is there in the denominator. Now here I'm going to take this minus 1 and 5 separately. So 3 to the power 4 minus 2. When we apply the division rule, we have to subtract the power. So 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 square will become 3 to the power 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon minus 1 multiplied 4 times into 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 6. Now 3 to the power 4 minus 2 is 2 into 1 upon minus 1 multiplied even number of times, it is 1 into, here 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 6. We can apply the laws of exponent multiplication rule. We have to add the power, so it will become 5 to the power 4 plus 6. And what is 4 plus 6? It is equal to 10. So it will become 5 to the power 10. So answer is 3 square. 3 square we can write it as 9 upon 5 to the power 10. No need to simplify 5 to the power 10. You can write the answer as such, 9 upon 5 to the power 10. Next question, we have 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 the whole power minus 2 the whole divided by 9 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 4. Now here, since we don't have any other number with a base 2, we can write 2 to the power 6 as such, multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by, now here we have minus 5 and the denominator we have 5. Since they are not same, what I am going to do is, minus 5 we can write it as minus 1 multiplied by 5 the whole power minus 2 the whole divided by 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 square into, now here I am going to separate this minus 1 and 5. So I am going to take it as minus 1 the whole power minus 2 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 2 the whole divided by 3 square multiplied by 5 to the power minus 4. Now it's equal to 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 to the power minus 2 the whole divided by, this minus 1 I am going to take it to the denominator since it is having negative exponent. So minus 1 power minus 2 will become minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power plus 2 if it is taken to the denominator. Now here 2 to the power 6 as such, then 3 square on the numerator and 3 square on the denominator we have. So no need to cancel like this. We can apply the laws of index like this. 3 to the power, since it is division we have to subtract the power, so it will become 2 minus 2 multiplied by, now here we have again a division rule we can apply for the numbers 5 to the power minus 2 and 5 to the power minus 4. So it will become 5 to the power minus 2 minus minus 4 divided by we have here in the denominator minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means it is equal to plus 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 minus 2 means 0 into 5 to the power minus 2, then minus into minus will become plus 4 divided by minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So 5 to the power 2 divided by 1 means same. So it is equal to 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. This is answer. We have another type using laws of exponents simplify. Yeah, first question we have 2x square the whole power 3 divided by 5x the whole power minus 2. Now in this case what we have to do is we have to take the numbers and each variable separately. In some questions there will be different variables like x and y. So take the numbers and each variable separately. So now I am going to take first the number 2, and here 2 is having the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 multiplied by, now for the variable x we have two powers 2 and 3. So it will become, you can write in one step like this, x square the whole power 3 divided by, now for the denominator we have 5x the whole power minus 2, it will become 5 to the power minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by, now here for x we have two powers, so we can multiply the powers. So it will become x to the power 2 into 3 6 divided by 5 to the power minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. Now for x again we can apply division rule, x to the power 6 divided by x to the power minus 2. So 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 2 as such into x to the power 6 minus minus 2. When we apply division rule we have to subtract the powers. The powers are 6 and minus 2. So it will become 6 minus minus 2. And here one more thing, 5 to the power minus 2 is having negative exponent, so we can take it to the numerator. So it will become 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power plus 2. Since it is in the denominator with a negative exponent, it will become positive when it is taken to the numerator. So 5 square multiplied by x to the power 6 minus minus 2 means it is 6 plus 2, that is 8. So answer is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by x to the power 8. Now again you can simplify this. 2 to the power 3 means 8 multiplied by 5 square means it is 25 into x to the power 8, which is equal to, what is 25 into 8? It is 200. So 200 x to the power 8. Next, simplify the exponential expressions and express it in positive exponents only. Now here we have to apply the laws of exponents and simplify. After that we have to write the answer only in positive exponents. Now here we have x to the power minus 2 in the numerator and x to the power 1 in the denominator. So we can write it as divided by x to the power 1 multiplied by y to the power minus 4 divided by y to the power 1 multiplied by z to the power minus 3 divided by z to the power 1. Now we have to apply the division rule. So it will become x to the power minus 2 minus 1 multiplied by y to the power minus 4 minus 1 multiplied by z to the power minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to x to the power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, then y to the power minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, z to the power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Since all the numbers have negative exponents, we have to make it as positive. So x to the power minus 3 will become 1 by x to the power plus 3 into y to the power minus 5 will become 1 by y to the power plus 5 into z to the power minus 4 will become 1 by z to the power plus 4, which is equal to 1 divided by x to the power 3, y to the power 5 and z to the power 4. Now another question, minus 3 the whole power 2 multiplied by 5 square the whole power minus 2. Now minus 3 to the power 2 we can write as minus 3 power 2 multiplied by, here since we have two powers we can apply power of a power rule, that is multiply the power, so it will become 5 to the power 2 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 square into 5 to the power 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now here minus 3 is having positive exponent and 5 is having negative exponent, so 5 to the power minus 4 we have to make it as positive exponent, so this can be written as minus 3 square divided by 5 to the power plus 4 by taking 5 to the power minus 4 to the denominator. So here we can see that both the exponents are positive. So this is the way we have to write the answer.